in a year. FedEx, I don't think they're at any risk of going out of business. At some point, is there value here?
I don't see any value right now. You know, Frank mentioned 2025 earnings. I don't care about 2025 earnings right now. I mean, the company has continued to deliver a box of bad news. I mean, the pre-announcement last week, as you mentioned, just calls into question the entire bull thesis anyone could have on this name. And it raises significant concerns about execution at what remains, in my opinion, to be a underperforming asset. But y'all mentioned the cat is out of the bag right now. The question is, how much of this was macro-driven and how much of it is self-inflicted? Well, if you look at, I think FDX, really overextended themselves in returning their capacity. And you couple that with the read-through from some stuff from UPS, I'd say this is more self-inflicted right now. And that's why we know this earnings ain't about the numbers. They're horrible. It's all about management instilling confidence in investors for the future that the company can focus on profitability and free cash flow. So I think if you believe that this is the only earnings cut that's going to occur, you could maybe dip your toes in here given trough valuations. But I'm staying on the sidelines right now. The name's going to be in the penalty box for quite some time.
Haven't heard it from UPS, DHL, the rails, any other trucking companies. Really bizarre. All right, let's move on. Next up is Costco. The retailer expected to report over $70 billion in sales this quarter, and shares are up almost 9% since their last report back in May. Courtney Reagan joining us now with the story on Costco. What's happening in Issaquah, Washington, Courtney?
Brian, it does seem like this is one of those pandemic winners that just keeps winning, especially now that we're in this inflationary environment. You have a consumer that pays a membership fee, and they want to get the most out of that. We're seeing an increase in traffic in all but 5 weeks so far, according to Placer.ai, for 2022 for Costco over the previous year. So people continue to come in. Perhaps they're filling up their cars at the gas station at Costco with the lower prices there because of the membership, and then they're stocking up on all those bulk items and food inside the store, as we know that the price of eating at home still continues to soar. You've got really strong ratings on Costco continuing from Stifel, from Bank of America, just to name a couple of them. They look at this and say, yes, there is a premium valuation here, but it's worth it. It's worth paying for because of the membership renewal rates, because of the strong sales growth, and because people just frankly see value in Costco right now in this inflationary environment.
I'm not joking, Courtney. There's 10 cars in line for every pump at the Costco near me all the time. It's amazing how long people will wait for gas. Courtney Reagan, thank you very much. All right, David, what's the trade? What's the investment on Costco? You're shaking your head again. What does that mean?
Love it. Courtney's right. Winners breed winners, and Costco's a winner. And then, Brian, you're right exactly, too. I think this quarter sets up pretty well for them because we're seeing a lot of potential upside from gas margins because they continue to leverage volume to their benefit from a bunch of market share gain.